Hey guys, welcome to the carving yard. We are here with something new. We're gonna mess around with this today. Currently, it's not mine, so I've gotta, try to take care of it. But we have the okay to use it, and so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna use it. We're gonna ease into it though. We're gonna ease into using this brand new Stihl MS500i. She's got a 25-inch bar. This thing's an animal. So I already shot a video for my other channel, Kyle's Chainsaw Rescue. We did some cuts and things like that with it and kind of just went over it a little bit, what I was thinking. I think it's an animal. So yeah, the saw's pretty awesome. This saw starts probably easier than all the small saws that I have for chainsaw carving. Fires right up. Just gonna shoot a quick video. It's getting near the end of the day here, but I've got this piece of pine, what is it? Here we go. It's 25-inch bar, so we got, maybe a 20-inch piece of pine. I gotta cut this thing in half and do quarters, but we might just do quarters and then cut it in half. I don't know, but I gotta quarter that up for some smaller carvings. And then I've got this piece of birch I've had for 2-3 years. The bark's off. It's a crotch piece, so it comes up and kind of wise off, but the beautiful grain is, I think, already gone. But we're going to take this, we're going to cut a little V in the top so we can set this thing up, and we're going to try to just cut some slabs with it, cut with the grain, and see. I'm curious, honestly. I had this sitting on the ground for a couple years. Well, I had it sitting directly in the dirt for about 1 year. Cleaned up the bottom. Right now it's got some frozen sawdust on there. But put it up on a block just above the dirt and let it sit for another year. I think it's about 2, maybe 3 years old. I can't remember. And I was hoping it would naturally introduce spalting. So I want to cut, like planks. They'll be wide, so we'll be cutting this way. And yeah, we'll see. We'll see if we get some pretty grain in there for some tables later on. But hopefully we'll get into some more carving videos soon. But you know what? I'm going to have some fun with this saw while I can. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and let's start making some sawdust. Just wanted to give a shout out to Noble Ace in Johnstown, New York for loaning me this saw to make some videos and cut some wood. Really do appreciate it. Thank you. If you guys are local to Johnstown, New York and are in the area, be sure to stop into Noble Ace. Check out their line of Stihl products. Oh, this saw is so much fun. So I've had people tell me on other saws, your chains are dull, you should have these big long strands. You only get these big long strands when you're cutting with the grain. I've never seen strands like this when someone's cutting across the grain. It's always chips. So yeah, anyway, really nice spalting in there. Beautiful piece. Even this cut off. Whew, such cool stuff. These are gonna be tabletops. That's what's going on there. That's what's up. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. He's gonna make some awesome tabletops. This is a white birch log I got from my brother-in-law a couple years ago. So it's been sitting. It's pretty well dried out, to be honest. You can feel like it's heavy all in one piece, but to get it down like this, it's really not. But yeah, super pretty. This thing really is. I mean, don't get me wrong. Chainsaws are dangerous, you know? This thing's dangerous like any other chainsaw. But this one has a lot of power. And this thing cuts fast. This thing cuts fast. I got two other big saws. They're blue. They don't have the same kind of... They don't cut this fast. They cut through anything, you know? They just keep going, but this is like high rev. This thing runs crazy. Hopefully one day I can add this to my lineup and call it my own, but like I said, for now, we're given the okay to use it, so we're gonna use it. Well guys, there it is. My second use. Again, the first use was on Kyle's Chainsaw Rescue, but second use with the 500i. I know we cut past into the ground there, but there is about 6 inches of sawdust here, so kind of just cut into sawdust. Not too worried about that. That thing, it cuts fast. I was going to cut these all in half, but to be honest, with the girth that's still here, I think we're going to leave like a base and we'll carve some stuff up top, or we'll do like a bigger cardinal on a base kind of thing. I think I'm just going to leave these quarters like they are. This thing's awesome. It's a lot of fun. Don't get me wrong. Fun can mean so many different things, right? It doesn't mean it's like safe fun, you know? This is that running chainsaws dangerous, woohoo, kind of fun. So I know a lot of you guys that watch are into that. Obviously, you guys like to carve or watch carving and see me running saws and all those good things. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe, guys. You know, we hit 20,000 at the end of 2023. Now it's 2024. It'd be awesome to hit 30 this year. So if you guys are still here and you haven't hit subscribe, be sure to do that. Big shout out to all my members, all 13 of you. Man, 13 members. I did a quick cut right there because I for real, want to give a shout out to my members, and I got to read it off a list because my memory ain't that great. But there's 13 of you as of right now. Denny M, new tutorials. RM, buy me a coffee. Tammy Laney, you're a big fan. Stephen Holloway, buy me a coffee. Jennifer Berry, buy me a coffee. Christopher Smith, new tutorials. Jeff Bowling, new tutorials. Nick Blassman, buy me a coffee. Angel Baby, buy me a coffee. Eric Woodrum, 3 Dogs, buy me a coffee. David Cole, you're a big fan. Keith Gagnon, new tutorials. And Fitside 59 Able, new tutorials. Now, you know what's crazy about this? It also shows me how long people have been members. Okay, Fitside 59 Able has been a member to my channel for 32 months. You rock. Like, for real, 32 months you've been a member to this channel. I seriously appreciate it. You have been totally committed. You're awesome. The rest of you are awesome too. Don't you know, get all upset here, but really do appreciate it. Keith Gagnon has been here for 32 months as well, and David Cole with 27 months. Eric, 27 months. 26 months. Angel Baby, 32 months. I thought they were in order as to how long people had been. We got a few more, but you know what? My phone just, I don't have the best service here. So you guys are awesome. If you have even been here a month, I really do appreciate it. And for those of you that have hit subscribe, hit that bell, hit all, and you guys watch, membership thing isn't for you, that is okay. That is all right. I still appreciate you being here, guys. And if you want to be a member, check out the members tab, or it says join on the main YouTube, on my main YouTube page, and see what that's all about. As members are getting new tutorials this year, there's already a whole different content members list for everyone, and we already put out some new tutorials. So enough with that. You guys have probably already clicked off this video. Appreciate you. Check out some videos popping up. I'll see you guys later.